My name is Dr. Emily Rempel. I'm a research fellow at the University of Liverpool. So I'm very happy to say that we're here at the launch of the Liverpool City Region Community Charter on Data and AI Innovation. It's one of the first of its kind in the world to combine data and artificial intelligence together and ask community what they think about it and actually follow through with a document that says what they want to see happen.
Our residents put forward a principle of balanced innovation, which acknowledges there are risks and benefits, and that unless we get involved as a cooperative across society, universities, public services, partner companies, and our residents, community entrepreneurs, we will not have the AIs that best meet the needs of society.
What we want to do is change the narrative and make data and AI embedded in community by both developing it, recognizing what our residents want to see happen, and then representing some of the issues that they would like to see it address first.
I think it's important in projects like this to have the voice of public opinion, because I feel like a lot of the time it doesn't often feel like residents or the public's opinions are being taken into consideration. And it was a real benefit that this project did include a public panel, so that you know that your views are being listened to and you are actually helping with the project and to progress it, and you feel like you really are helping to shape it.